How to fix laptop touchpad not working. So if you're facing some problems on your touchpad, then what you need to do is you just need simply add an external mouse to it. Once you add your external mouse, you just need simply go with search, and here you need to type mouse properties or go with mouse settings and go with additional mouse settings. And under that, here you will have an option or a section of touchpad. So if you have a section of touchpad, you just need to simply go with the touchpad and then turn it on. But if you don't have the touchpad right here, or if that doesn't fix, then you just need to simply go with the search option, and under search you need to search for touchpad, or just go with Bluetooth and devices, and you just scroll down, and here you will have the touchpad. Just click on it and make sure that it is turned on. If it is turned off, then no matter what you do, your touchpad will not work. So you just need to simply go and turn it on. Once you turn it on, then your touchpad will work. So that's how you can fix touchpad not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. How to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix Bluetooth not working in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with Bluetooth and devices, which is right here. And under your Bluetooth, make sure that it is turned on. You need to scroll down, and here you may have an option of troubleshoot. If you don't have the option of troubleshoot, then you just need to simply go with system, scroll down, and you will have the troubleshoot section. Just click on it and then go with other troubleshooters. And here you need to find the Bluetooth option. Once you have Bluetooth under others, you need to go with run, which is on the right side, and run the troubleshooter. Once you run the troubleshooter, go with apply the fix, and after that it will apply the fixes and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix Bluetooth not working on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.